Today we are going to learn how to make a sunset or sun rays by using Paint application. Step number one: open your Paint. Like here now, my Paint is open. Then do set the working space. Go to resize, go to pixels, and then uncheck this one. Maintain aspect ratio. Then put 1000 over 500, then say okay. So mine was already sated, so I'm just going to start straight. First and foremost, you have to draw a vertical line to make a gradient that relates to the background of the sunset, as we did before. You take the line like this, the line shape, then you draw diagonal lines. I want to choose different type of brush to be used. A thick brush, it's okay. And now the brush is here. This is the size of the pixels of the brush. What's wrong? Oh, so the thick brush is here. You can, yeah, let's go with this. Okay, make another diagonal line. Another one should be here, down here, I think. And then go. When you're drawing diagonal lines, make sure they go through so that they cannot allow the color to pass through. And then after there, we are going to paint using this one. So here I have to start with dark blue. This is maroon, okay? Then red, orange. Oh, sorry, orange here. Here we are going to put gold. Then we take yellow and yellow. So you go and resize this one. You go to pixels and check this, then you put 1 and then say okay. Then again go back to resize, pixels, return the number that was in horizontal. It was, scale was 1000. Oh no, first of all uncheck this one, in, then say 1000, then say okay. Already we have our gradient there. Haha. So we are going to draw the sun and the hill to show at least the different than as the sun rise or sunset. So you come in this shape. If you click here, you'll see these ones are opening. So I'm going to choose this one is the color of the sun. Then I have to allow this one here. Either I can choose this, and then yeah, then I draw it. When you're drawing this, click shift to make it perpendicular. Oh, it comes out with white color. This should be also yellow. And now the problem is that we have chosen, this is fill shape and this is shape outline. So the fill shape should be solid. Shape outline can be anyhow. This one can be even this one to make our sun in a very nice outlook. Wow, that's my sun. Though then I'm going to draw a hill. So the easiest way to make a, oh, what's wrong? To make a hill is to draw a shape. Let me take this one. Then I turn all these colors to black. Put it it here. I turn this one to color 2. I think is the one is concerned with this one. This one also can change to black. Oh, yeah. hmm And then I can take spray with a spray. Something like this one. Oh, this one. Let's spray. I spray with yellow and see what is coming out. I don't see anything new, but I'm trying to design something. This one cannot help. Oh my god. Let me try to do something else here. Spread white in the atmosphere. Or I can put black. Anyhow, you can now do whatever you like. Can be creative as you can. I'm not going to bind you, but at least this one looks like the real sunset. Yeah, looks like the real sunset. I'm trying to reduce. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let's meet next week in the next lesson. My name is Bara Pogilo, your instructor, ICD department.